Bowman Giraffe. Thank you guys for jumping in. Appreciate it. So, good luck to everyone. Thank you guys. And let's roll. Lots of cards. Lots and lots of cards. Just... Here we go with these unwrapping the gifts of Christmas time. Unwrapping the gifts of Bowman Jumbo. Super Jumbo, actually. Not just Jumbo. Super Jumbo. Do. Here we go. Good luck to all. And to all, good luck. Old Keybert. India. Lots and lots of dudes. Chromio dudes. Boba shit. Looks like 2 purples in a row. Maybe I'm wrong. Casey Mice. For the Marlins, Tristan Pompey, purple refractor out of 250. This guy's Pilkington and Madrigal. Micah Bello, Greg Deichmann, Jazz Chisholm, and Josh Stowers. Alright guys, give me one, let me go through this and then give me 1 second. I'll go through this stack here and then figure out what you want. Purple paper for the Giants out of 250, Blake Rivera. Alright. Some dudes, Cody Deason, Griffin Conine, and Stowers. For the Royals, Jackson Kowar, base auto. For the Royals, Jackson Kowar. Mark Vientos, Jonathan Ornelas, Kevon Jackson, Yasniel Diaz. Base. Alright guys, give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Hunter Green. Joe Gray. Lewis Robert. Green refractor for the Atlanta Braves out of 99, Ian Anderson. Some Diamondback future guys. Thomas and McCarthy. Joe Gray, Ryan Velade, Sean Gilby, Brady Singer. Kelenic, Larnack, Nolan Gorman. Cards. Too many cards. Shoot. Jordan Adams green paper for the Angels out of 99. Madrigal. Siani. Nick Madrigal. Bowman Sterling. Levine and Janista. Gold refractor auto, Jeremy Ironman out of 49 for the Oakland Athletics. Jeremy Ironman, gold refractor auto for the Athletics. Jorge Guzman, Vavra, Lenny Torres, Cody Deason. Alright. Lots and lots of cards. Swaggerty. He's got the swagger on. Roar, shed me long time. Shed me long time. Franchise guys, Bro and Siegler. Blake Rivera, Mackenzie Gore, Bobby Bradley, Taron Vavra. Casey Mize, Nolan Gorman, Carter Kaboom, Nick Madrigal. Oh, dudes here. Bubik. That's one of my favorite. For the Brewers, out of 4.99, Corey Howell. Blue, baby blue paper. Jared Kelenic. Logan Gilbert. Keibert Ruiz. Bowman Sterling, Ryan Weathers. Snell and McCarthy. For the Cubs, Nico Horner out of 99, green refractor auto for the Cubbies. Nico Horner. Pedro Avila, Jason Schroeder, Adam Hazley, Matt Sauer. Jared Kelenic, Bobichette. And base dudes. Joanna Man Harris. Alec Baum. Oh, Burrow still in here. Shia-la-dee-da. Ryan Weathers. Bubbles. Dravion Williams Nelson. Not number. Kellenick and Cortez. Nick Decker. Logan Allen. That Nelson guy again. Will Banfield. Louis Robert. For the Cubs, Cole Roederer out of $4.99, baby blue. You're very welcome. Very welcome. Carter Kaboom, Eloy Jimenez, Casas. Lots of cards. India Madrigal. For the Rangers, Cole Winn, first Bowman base auto. Cole Winn. Drew Ellis, Colton Eastman, Braden Fisher, and Sam Carlson. Casey Mize. Madrigal. And base. Alright, one pack to go for box one. Alright, we got blue. I am blue and I am blue. Alec Baum. Jermaine Jones. I don't think it's the auto though. Grayson Rodriguez. Blue for the Royals, Brady Singer. Out of 150, blue refractor. Casey Mize, Cody Clemens, Lancy Delgado, Justin Jarvis, Brent Rooker, Colton Eastman. J.B. Bukaskis, my favorite guy in the world. For the Yankees, out of 150, blue paper, Albert Abreu. Out of 150, Albert Abreu. Larnack, Swaggerty, India, Torres and Bubik. Noah Naylor for the Cleveland Indians, sometimes known as Bo Naylor, base auto for the Cleveland Indians. Larry Tejada, Jordan Groshans, Sean Hageli, Ryan Velati. All right, one down, two to go. Good luck in box 2. Bubik. I like that guy's name. Bubik. Ryder Green. Joanna Man Harris. Swaggerty. For the Rays, Bubbles, Tanner Dotson. Future Singer and Kowar, Carter Kaboom, Carlson, Hunter Green, and Osiris Johnson. Jared Kelenic. Casas. Keybert. I like his name too. Keybert. India. Blue paper, baby blue for the Oakland Athletics at a $4.99. Greg Deichmann. Shed me long time. Bowman, Sterling, Grayson Rodriguez, Naylor and Siegler. For the Nationals at a $4.99. Mason Denneberg. Refractor auto for the Nationals, Mason Denneberg. Jonathan Stiver, Singer, Gratterol, I don't know, Cal Mitchell. I don't know how to say some of these guys' names are very difficult. Very difficult. Their names are very difficult sometimes. Shed me long time, shed. The green. Jeremiah was a bullfrog. Travis Swaggerty. Mariner guys. Tristan Casas, Matt Verling, Grant Witherspoon, and Jake Wong. Casey Mize, Nolan Gorman, Nick Madrigal. Braxton Ashcroft and Woods Richardson. Cody Clemens, base auto for the Detroit Tigers. Cody Clemens for the Tigers. Alex Faedo, Grant Levine, Irvine, Ashcraft, Brian Matta. Kelenic, Larnack. I'm going to guess Madrigal. No Madrigal that time. No Madrigal that time. Cascus, dudes, Sixto Sanchez, Josh Bro, he's the bro stuff. Coker, I like that guy's name too. Jonathan India, Nate Pearson out of 250 purple refractor for the Blue Jays. Franchise Padres, Edwards and Weathers. Levi Kelly, he's Neil Diaz, Alec Hansen, and Grant Levine or Levine. Some paper guys. Madrigal. I got a couple Madrigals yesterday. This guy again. This is purple paper. So you got purple refractor and purple paper. Nate Pearson. Out of 250 for the Blue Jays. Yeah, Casey Mize. Yeah, Casey Mize. Hanging out with us on a Sunday night. Tim Cate, Owen White. For the Blue Jays, Nick Schnell. First Bowman base auto. Nick Schnell for the Rays. That's the man I said Blue Jays. For the Tampa Bay Rays, Nick Schnell. Pagan, Banfield, Rollison, and Mountcastle. And some base dudes. Paper base, Casey Mize, Nolan Gorman. And that is all she wrote. Alright. India. Welcome to India. Naylor, Medina. Alec Baum. Orioles future guys. Sixto Sanchez, Matt Sauer, Mitchell White, Aramis Aidman. How's that backwards? Jordan Adams, Nico. Alec Baum. Vavra out of 499. Baby blue for the Rockies. Oh, that's why it's backwards. Alec Baum, Mize, and Singer. It's one of these. Out of 250, class of 2018, Cole Winn auto. Cole Winn for the Rangers. I already got him once. Now we got him again. Sheldon Noose, Josh Towers, Kowar, and Verling. And base dudes playing baseball. Yeah. We're playing baseball. Yeah. Baum. Baum.com, Alec Baum. Jared Kelenic. Keibert Ruiz. Tristan Casas. And for the Cubs, blue refractor out of 150, Ezekiel Pagan. Reds, India and Siani. Eloy Jimenez, Cody Deason, Nick Dunn, Tanner Dotson. Joanna Man Harris, I like that guy's name. He's got a fun one. For the Cardinals, blue paper out of 150, Nolan Gorman. Nolan Gorman, blue paper. Nolan Gorman, again. He's hanging out with us tonight. Win and Libertor. Braxton Ashcraft. Braxton Ashcraft for the Pirates. Base style. Devin Mann, Aris Aidman, Madrigal, Jeter Downs. All right, one to go. Good luck, guys. Last box. You're waiting on an invoice for Playbook. I'll get that to you as soon as I can. I know we're going to be a little bit behind. That's what happens with Bowman Draft. Sorry. Unfortunately. Casey Mize. Gold refractor for the Tampa Bay Rays out of 50, Tyler Frank. Tyler Frank for the Rays. Royals guys, Brendan McKay, Thad Ward, Taylor Trammell, Kyle Isbell. Alec Baum. For the Brewers, out of 99, Corey Howell, green paper. Larnack, Swaggerty. This Rodriguez guy, Bowman Sterling, Naylor, Siegler, and this guy again, Nick Schnell for the Tampa Bay Rays. Base style auto. Noah Naylor, Alec Baum, Ethan Hankins, and Luis Medina. Alright, give me just 1 sec, guys. 1 sec. Alright, sorry about that. Bubik. Nolan Gorman, Bo Bichette, Jared Kelenic, Travis Swaggerty, Mariners guys, Matt Manning, Pavin Smith, Andres Jimenez, Mike Ciani. Kelenic, Larnack, Gorman, India, I think we got a purple refractor auto coming up. Ashcraft. Josiah Gray out of 250 purple refractor auto for the Cincinnati Reds. Josiah Gray. Josh Breaux, Carlos Cortez, Tyler Frank, and Corey Holland. Sorry. Oops. Oopsie. Moving the camera around. Casas. Alright. Terang, Hunter Green, Swaggerty, Terang, Mackenzie Royce Lewis, Alec Baum, Jonathan India, blue refractor for the Brewers out of 150, Bryce Terang. Padres, guys. Rivas, McKenzie, Ruiz, Cortez. Bo Bichette, Casey Mize, Madrigal, and dude. India. Sixto Sanchez, baby blue out of $4.99 for the Phillies. Tim Cate, Owen White. Refractor auto, Chris Bubik out of $4.99 for the Royals. Chris Bubik. Cole Winn, Royce Lewis, Liberatore, Josh Naylor. Kelenic, Larnack, Nolan Gorman, and base. Joanna Man Harris. Gilbert. Okay. Florial. Esteban Florial. Tim Kate. Is this first Bowman card? Not like that. Tristan Casas. Purple Refractor Aramis Aidman for the Cubbies. Out of 250. Reds Dudes. Esteban Florial, Sean Weimer, Adrian Morjan, and Brian Lavastida. For the Cleveland Indians, out of 499, baby blue paper, Ethan Hankins. Libertor and Win. Base auto, Braxton Ashcraft for the Pirates. Parker Meadows, Jamison Hanna, Cody Clemens, Corey Howell. Casey Mize, Nick Madrigal, and base. Alright, one pack to go. Alec Baum, he's always after Nick Dunn. Nick Madrigal. Alec Baum. Oriole guys. Joe Adell, Leonis Taveras, Alex McKenna, Jamison Hanna. I think we're going to get another one of those out of 250 autos or whatever they are. For the Oakland A's, gold paper out of 50, Jamison Hanna. Yep. For the Tampa Bay Rays, out of 250, Matthew Liberatore. I got this guy yesterday. Class of 2018. Mize and Singer. Casey Mize, Bryce Terang, Logan Gilbert, Pavin Smith. Alright, that is all she wrote. Up next, Playbook.